Hey guys, this is Ralph. I wanted to give you guys a review on the 2001, I believe, to 2004 lb7 eBay intake that you can buy. It's 3.5 inches, I believe, and basically I just wanted to give you my thoughts and opinions on it. Just a shortcut, overall I would not buy this intake. It is the cheapest intake you can buy for this vehicle, I believe. So I'll just start with the problems. Okay, first of all, for some reason, the filter, the clogging, like this basically tells you how much like restriction you have. It is always maxed out. Now my filter is dirty right now, which I need to clean it, but I'm actually just going to upgrade it and be done with it. This thing, when I first put it on, as soon as I pull off, I don't even have to pull off hard, it just immediately goes to like full, this thing is clogged all the way. So like, as you see, that's where it's supposed to be at, in the green. Okay, also, as soon as I put this intake manifold on, my check engine light is on. It has a mass airflow code. I never had a mass airflow code before. Maybe this mass airflow is bad, but for some reason, it always is popping the mass airflow. It's running fine. I don't really haven't noticed any difference in how it runs, but it does have a code for the mass airflow. The other thing is they give you a silicone boot. This is not the one. I had to get this off of another vehicle. I just had one like laying around because the one that they gave you was about that long and it was actually too short to get to the intake horn. As you can see, I do have an upgraded intake horn also, and a boost valve on there. But, you know, also the finish on the pipe leaves something to be desired. Like these dents right here, they were already on there when I first bought the thing. I just put it on anyway because it's so cheap. There's another one right here. All of this was already on there when I bought it. They also have a rubber isolator. It does come with this nice, basically it's like an isolator to keep the heat from the engine bay. As you can see, there's a huge gap, so I don't know how much of a good job it's doing, but at least they give you something. It also had a little rubber isolator down here. It's supposed to go from that bolt to that bolt. That broke off within like 5,000 miles of me putting this thing on here. So far I've had it on here for about 20. I'm about to switch it out though because I'm not happy with it. So this thing is just kind of flopping around, as you can see. Other than that, it will give you a great sound, which is nice. It'll give you that turbo whistle you're kind of missing on the Duramax, the lb7 at least. Everyone says the lb7 just cannot whistle. You will hear your whistle. I'm gonna put a short clip of it whistling on here just so you guys can, you know, hear it. Overall, I would not buy it. If you just want to put something on there to make your truck sound good, that's great. I don't think it's any kind of performance upgrade, actually. I think it's kind of like, I think it hurts the truck, really. So I'm gonna go to a 5-inch, basically there's a 5-inch intake that they offer. I'm gonna try to put that one on there, and I'll put a review of that too. This is a 2002 Silverado 6.6 liter lb7 Duramax. It has stock exhaust except for a MagnaFlow downpipe. It has the boost mod, like where, you know, you can get more boost out of it. It has a eBay intake horn and the eBay lb7 intake. So this is what it sounds like. Windows are down. Unfortunately, it does not whistle at idle, but when you start driving, you'll definitely hear the whistle. Drop it into neutral so you guys can hear it. Here's another clip. Windows are barely down. Maybe you guys can hear the whistle a little bit better.